I've always had very bad vision, very high power. If I stuck my hand out in front of my face, it would be blurry. Before I was a police officer, I was in the Marine Corps, and having that glasses or contacts was constantly an issue. There's a lot of training that we do that you couldn't wear contacts. Vision is everything as a police officer. When I went for my consultation, I was told that the new procedure of Contoura vision was able to fix my eyesight. Did all the tests on my eyesight and told me that I would be an excellent candidate, that it would be very custom to my particular eyeball to fix all the little imperfections that I had. The actual time it's spent actually fixing your eye is seconds. You don't feel anything. There's no pain, there's not even any pressure while it's going on. After I got home, taking a nap, and woke up, I could see what I thought was 20/20. I mean, I could see great, I could see everything around me. When I went back to the doctor for your post-op appointment, I was seeing 20/15. You know, I used to be able to see the leaves on trees, but now you can see like the features of those leaves on trees. This procedure is giving me the ability to do whatever I want to do. I know that I'm safer because I got this procedure done.
It's time to get more of what's real. It's time for Contoura Vision. Time to open your eyes and really see. Brilliant colors and intricate textures. Sharp, crisp detail. Experience a life filled with action and motion and free from glasses and contacts. Time to see the things that make every moment more real. Contoura Vision makes it about you and real.